Today, so I bought for Daddy Steve flowers. That's our garden in the back. Daddy Steve helped me to plant that one. And this one I bought. Yeah. And Daddy Steve. There's another flowers, Daddy Steve. I bought it yesterday. And I give him food. Chicken, rice. He like chicken and pork and curry chicken. Potato. And see, Daddy Steve like sweets also. Especially lollipop. And Daddy Steve. Rest in peace, Daddy Steve, and be happy there. I know you are happy there. You need to be happy there, Daddy Steve. We have no choice. I know you're guiding me with God. Love you and miss you so much, Daddy Steve.